The second part of our lesson 11.4 day 4 notes says to use the data provided to complete the Venn diagram. A survey of 200 FHS students yielded the following information about the video games that students play. 73 students play only Fortnite. So we're going to go to our Fortnite circle, but we only want Fortnite, so that means we don't want any overlap. So I'm going to put my 73 right out here. Then it says 9 students play all 3. So that would be our overlap of all 3 circles. Right in the middle, we have 9. The next bullet point says 14 students play only NBA 2K and Madden. So that would be our overlap between the NBA and the Madden, which is right here. So only those two. That's not including any overlap with Fortnite. Next, we have 31 students play only Fortnite and Madden. So that would be our overlap over here. So we're just overlapping between those 2 circles, not including the NBA 2K. Then we have 63 students who play NBA 2K. So I'm going to go ahead and put that at the edge of that circle because that's talking about what that entire circle will add up to. Next, we have 136 students who play Fortnite. So again, that's another total. So I'm going to put that at the edge of the circle. And we'll use that in a little bit. And then 65 students play Madden. So that's another total. So we'll put that at the edge of our Madden circle. And then going back to the very beginning, we did have our entire total for our universal set. So this whole rectangle adds up to 200 FHS students. Okay, so even though this Venn diagram is a little bit more complex, we have 3 circles compared to the 2 that we're used to, we can still use these numbers to figure out the rest of our Venn diagram with the same process that we've used before. So let's start by going to our Fortnite circle over here. We know everything except for this number. So we can take our total 136 and subtract the 3 numbers we do know in that circle to figure out that last number. So 136 minus 73 minus 31 minus 9, and that equals 23. So we have 23 students who play Fortnite and NBA 2K, but not Madden. Okay, now we can do the same thing with our NBA circle. So we know our total, we know 3 of our numbers, we just need to subtract those to figure out our 4th number. So we've got 63 minus 23 minus 9 minus 14, which equals 17. So that means we have 17 students who play NBA 2K only. Then lastly, we can go to our 3rd circle for Madden, and it's the same process. We take our total, subtract the 3 numbers that we know on the inside to figure out our 4th number on the inside. So 65 minus 31 minus 9 minus 14, which equals 11. So we have 11 students who play Madden only. Then lastly, don't forget we need to figure out our number on the outside of our circles. So that would represent our students who do not play any of these 3 video games. So let's take our total, 200, and we need to subtract every number that we have written in here in black writing 1 time. So I will subtract 73 minus 31 minus 9 minus 23 minus 17 minus 14 minus 11, and that equals 22. So we have 22 students who do not play Madden, Fortnite, or NBA 2K.